In front of me is Honor 400 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to hit Privacy Controls. Tap on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features you wish to manage. Then tap on an app you wish to manage here. Click on one of those options to apply the best one and go back, or select See All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!